Yes, welcome back. This is Nyesiga Naboth again on NABO UG 256 YouTube channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to watch protected TV stations, watch Premier League football live, watch all the TVs in your country live using your Android phone without paying any single coin. This is really free. Go to Google Play Store and search for an app called free to air TV. So move down, there is a developer called Yuga Apps. So this is called StarTimes Live TV Channels. This app allows you to watch every kind of channel that you really have in your country. You see, it has 10K as of now. That's the screenshot. It has international channels, Rwanda channels, Ugandan channels, Kenyan channels, Tanzania channels. It has sports. Those are the types of and examples of the TVs included. No monthly subscriptions. Jetta, Venus TV, K24, Lookup, ABN, Sayala TV, Three Stones TV, Rare TV, Machalali TV. These are all the Uganda's TVs. NTV Uganda, TV West, NBS UG, Spark TV UG, Urban TV, Channel 44, Dream TV, Star TV, the TV 1, Baba TV, UBC. All other channels are included here. So I'm going to show you. Then remember to choose StarTimes Live TV channels for this developer called Yuga Apps box. This is the developer who has developed all these apps above, and this is the free to air TV mobile app. I've been telling you this is our app, so that app will help you to watch for free live. It's called free to air mobile. So tap in the application, download. Please give it a 5-star review if you want, if you feel that it's fine. So as you can see, this app has been developed or was developed on 29th of December 2019 and has already gained a lot of people download it, 100 plus. So open the application, wait for it to load. Remember, this gives you access to free TV. So as you can see, this is NTV, TV West, BBC, NBS. That's NBS. Tap in it if you want to watch it. You can click in the heart section. I've just paused it for copyright. I don't want that music to be there. Click in Spark TV. You can put in your favorites or whatever you want to do. For start time, this goes into the other types of section. Remember, it works. So even if you check all the channels you want, so all those are the channels. These are the other channels: Family TV Kenya, latest. These are the latest they have just added right now. Salama TV, Top TV, Smart TV, most viewed are here. Recent, they are here. So that was one of the apps. You can create your account here. As you can see, this is my profile, free of charge. This is my profile. You don't have to pay any single coin. Don't pay any single coin. So that's the application. All these are the channels: Al Jazeera, Top What. So these are the channels. There are many. So another app is StarTimes TV. It's also an app made by the same developer called Yuga Apps. You can open the application, powered by Yuga apps. That's the developer of this app. Watch free of charge. Don't pay any single coin. These are the channels. So international channels, you click international channels. These are the international channels. All these are international channels, Sky News, whatever. So back, Rwandan channels, they are there. So it's really up to you to choose among the two, the one you will like. Ugandan channels, all here. Thanks for watching. Put your comments in this comment section and I will be able to help you.